Morning walks and new routines. Hey, Mia. Heading to the park?
Yes, I need to walk my dog.
Oh, I'm going too. Just grab my coffee.
Great. Walk with us?
Sure. Is he friendly?
Totally. His name's Leo.
Cute. I used to have a dog like that.
Really? What happened to him?
Moved to the countryside with my parents.
Oh, that's sweet. He's probably happy there.
Yeah, lots of space to run.
Leo loves the big oak tree near the pond.
I remember that spot. Peaceful.
Perfect for reading or just thinking.
Do you come here every day?
Almost, rain or shine.
That's dedication.
It clears my head before work.
Same with my morning coffee walks.
We should do this more often.
Do you have time now for a longer loop?
Yeah, Leo could use extra exercise.
Awesome. I've got nowhere to be.
Last week, he chased a squirrel up that tree.
Classic dog move.
Took me 20 minutes to calm him down.
Worth it though, right?
Always. He's my little stress reliever.
Dogs just get us.
After this, want to grab a pastry downtown?
Yes, there's a new bakery on Elm.
I've been dying to try it.
Leo's welcome too, I bet.
Perfect.
Let's go.
Race you to the bridge.
Calling a friend to make plans. Hi, Jake. Are you busy?
Hey, Emma. Not really. What's up?
I was wondering, are you free this Saturday?
Let me check. Yes, I am.
Great. Do you want to grab lunch together?
Sure. Where did you have in mind?
There's a new cafe on Oak Street, Sunny Bites.
Oh, I've heard about it. They have great sandwiches.
Exactly. How about 12:30?
Perfect. Should I meet you there?
Yes, unless you want me to pick you up.
No, I'll walk. It's not far from my place.
Awesome. Oh, and bring your camera.
Why?
There's a little park behind the cafe. So pretty in spring.
Good idea. I'll bring it.
Great. Text me if you're running late.
Will do. Looking forward to it.
Me too. See you Saturday.
See you then. Bye.
Bye.
Asking a coworker for help. Hi, Chloe. Do you have a quick minute?
Of course. What's up?
I'm trying to print these files, but the printer won't connect.
Oh, that one's a little tricky. Did you select Office Printer 2?
I think so, but nothing happens.
Let me check. Your laptop isn't on the right network.
Really? How do I fix that?
Go to Wi-Fi settings and choose Office Staff, not Guest.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Thanks.
No problem. Try printing now.
It's working. You're a lifesaver.
Happy to help.
By the way, do you know how to scan documents too?
Yes, just press Scan on the screen and enter your email.
Got it. I'll try that later.
Sure. And if you get stuck again, just call me.
Thanks, Chloe. You're really kind.
Don't mention it. We all need help sometimes.
True. Have a great afternoon.
You too, Ben.
At a laundromat. Excuse me, do you know how to use this machine?
Sure. Are you washing or drying?
Washing. It's my first time here.
No problem. First, sort your clothes, lights and darks.
Got it. Do I need special detergent?
You can buy pods here, $1.50 each, or bring your own.
I have liquid. Where do I put it?
In the dispenser on top, right here.
Thanks. How long does a cycle take?
About 35 minutes. Then move to the dryer.
Do the dryers take cards too?
Yes, same machine by the door.
Great. Is it okay to leave my clothes unattended?
Sure, but don't wait too long after it finishes.
Good to know. Oh, do you have fabric softener?
Yes, in the blue bottle next to the detergent.
Perfect. Thanks so much for your help.
Anytime. I was new here once too.
Really? How long have you lived nearby?
Almost a year. This laundromat's the best in the area.
Glad I found it. Have a good wash.
You too. Visiting a neighbor for the first time. Hi, I'm Sophie. I just moved in next door.
Oh, hello. Welcome. I'm Mr. Chen.
Nice to meet you. I brought you some cookies.
That's so kind. Thank you very much.
I hope it's okay. I wanted to say hello.
Of course. Come in for a minute.
Oh, I don't want to bother you.
Not at all. I was just having tea.
Well, just for a moment then.
Great. Do you take sugar?
No, thank you. Just plain is fine.
Here you go. So, where are you from?
I'm from Portland. This is my first time in Chicago.
Ah, you'll love it here. It's a friendly neighborhood.
I already feel that. By the way, where's the nearest grocery store?
Green Market? Just 2 blocks left, past the pharmacy.
Perfect. And is the Wi-Fi usually strong here?
Yes, but if you have trouble, the building manager helps fast.
Good to know. Thanks for the tea and the welcome.
Anytime. If you need anything, just knock.
I will. Have a lovely day.
At a pet store.
Hi, I just got a kitten and I need some supplies.
Oh, how sweet. Congratulations. What do you need?
Food, a litter box, and maybe a toy or two.
Great. For food, we have kitten formula, grain-free or regular.
Which is better?
Grain-free is gentler on their stomach.
Okay, I'll take that. How much per bag?
$16. It lasts about 10 days for a small kitten.
Got it. Where are the litter boxes?
Aisle 3, small, medium, or large.
Small, please. And do you have soft toys?
Yes, these little mice are very popular.
She'll love this one. Oh, does she need a brush?
Not yet. Wait until she's a bit older.
Good to know. Is there anything else I should get today?
Just water ball and a cozy bed. Both over here.
Perfect. This bed looks soft.
It's washable too. Very practical.
Awesome. Total, please.
$42.50. Card or cash?
Card.
All set. Here's your receipt and a free sample of treats.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome. Give your kitten a cuddle from us. Booking a dentist appointment.
Hello, I'd like to make a dentist appointment.
Hi. Do you have an emergency or is it a regular checkup?
It's not an emergency, but my tooth has been hurting.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did it start?
2 days ago, especially when I drink cold water.
Sounds like a possible cavity. We can see you today.
Really? That would be great.
We have an opening at 3:15 p.m.
Perfect. Is this your office on Maple Street?
Yes, 142 Maple next to the pharmacy.
I know it. Do I need to bring anything?
Just your ID and insurance card if you have one.
I do. What's your name for the appointment?
Linda. And yours?
Emma Rodriguez.
Got it. See you at 3:15, Emma.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Try to avoid very hot or cold drinks until then.
I will. See you soon.
At the post office.
Hello. I need to send this letter to Spain.
Good morning. Let me see. Is it a regular letter?
Yes, just a card with a photo.
Then you'll need an international stamp, $1.50.
Okay, do you have one?
Yes, right here. Would you like to write the address now?
I already did. Is this correct?
Let me check. Yes, perfect.
Great. I also have a small package for Canada.
All right. Please put it on the scale. It's 500 grams. That'll be $14.20.
Is it trackable?
Yes, I'll add tracking for free.
Wonderful. How long will it take?
About 5 to 7 business days.
Good. Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just sign here after you tap. All done.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
At a community center. Hi, I saw a poster about English classes. Can I join?
Absolutely. We have beginner and intermediate levels.
I'm a beginner. When does the next class start?
Monday at 6 p.m. It runs for 6 weeks.
Perfect. How much does it cost?
It's free, funded by the city.
Really? That's wonderful. Do I need to register today?
Yes, just fill out this form with your name and phone number.
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. Do you need childcare during class?
Oh, do you offer that?
Yes, for kids 3 and up, just let us know in advance.
That's great. I have a 4-year-old.
We'll set it up. Classes are in room 4 upstairs.
Is there homework?
A little, but nothing too hard. Just practice.
I'm excited to learn. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you Monday at 6.
I'll be there. Have a nice day. A quick haircut. Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Hi, yes, at 10 o'clock. Name's Mark.
Ah, yes. Right this way.
Thanks.
I'd like a haircut, please.
Of course. How would you like it?
Just a trim. Keep it neat and short.
Like your last time?
Yes, but maybe a little shorter on the sides.
Got it. Would you like a wash first?
Yes, please. My hair is a bit dusty.
No problem. Sit here. Is the water warm enough?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
After the wash. All clean. Now, how about the top? Keep it longer?
Yes, just tidy it up. Not too short.
Sure thing. Do you want gel or anything after?
No, just dry it naturally.
Okay, it'll look great.
Thanks. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Great. I'm not in a hurry.
A few minutes later. All done. What do you think?
Wow, looks really good.
I'm glad. Would you like a mirror to check the back?
Yes, please. Perfect.
Thank you. That'll be $22.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just tap here.
All set.
Thank you, Mark. Come again soon.
I will. Have a great day.
You too.